In this video, we'll see how you can quickly restore your backup file. So I hope hopefully you saw my previous video around how you can take a backup. And in this video, we'll be continuing with how to import your backup. So this is the part of Moodle. Sorry, this is the part of WordPress migration from one server to another server. So in that case, you should have a complete backup. Like the backup you can take from this all-in-one WP migration plugin itself, and this import also can be done from this plugin itself. So in this video we'll see the import part. So in case you have missed the previous one, I will paste here the link of how you can take a backup in description of this video, so you can go through that and you can follow the steps. So for import, you should have admin access, and under all in one WP migration, you'll have to click here on the import, then scroll down. You see here this is import site section, and here the green sign, you'll have to click here and you have to browse the file. Okay, so I just click here on the file and I can navigate to the backup one, and I can simply select here, and you see here it start importing and it will take some time. So depending on the size of your backup, it will take time. Okay, so my backup size around 678 MB, you see here. So it's less than 1 GB, but yeah. So you see the progress here, 38%. Okay, so backup, whatever the backup you will take, it the backup will be in form of, you see here, if I come to see the file extension, you will see here WP WPress PRESS. So WordPress backup file will be like this. So 75%. Let's wait for another 1 2 minutes here to make this success. Well, you see here the block. So restoring the files 78%, restoring database. So please do not close this browser. So you'll have to make sure you are not closing this. So till the time it is not getting the 100%. Yeah, so your site backup imported successfully. Now you can click on finish. So you are done with the backup and restore. So if I click on the finish, and I can visit my site, and I can see the changes whatever we had. Okay, so that's it from the video. Thank you for watching.